particle p moves so that r double dot is pi plus qj, where p and q are constants. When t is 0, r dot is 0, and when t is 1, r dot is 3i minus 2j. We want to find r dot at any time, and then mod r dot, which of course will be the speed, when t is 3. So we have r double dot is equal to p q. Now these are both constants. To get r dot, we're going to integrate. So that's going to be pt plus a constant and qt plus a constant. Now r dot of 0 is equal to 0, 0, the 0 vector. So that means that pt plus c1 and qt plus c2 is 0 when t is 0, and of course when t is 0, these are 0, so that just gives us c1 equals 0 and c2 equals 0. So now we have that r dot is just going to be pt and qt. So r dot of 1 is going to be 3 negative 2, so that's this information just here, is equal to pq if t is equal to 1. So we now have that p is equal to 3 and q is equal to negative 2. So r dot is going to be 3t negative 2t. So this is all part A. And then part B, r dot of 3 is going to be 9 negative 6. And we want the modulus of that, so that's the square root of 9 squared plus 6 squared. Let's just bring in the calculator for that. So we want the square root of 9 squared add 6 squared, and that gives us 3 root 13. It doesn't say what the units are, so we'll just leave that as 3 root 13, and of course if we wanted that as a decimal we could just do this.